Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dian Rahmawati. You can call me Dian. Today I will present my article. The title is Needs Analysis of Digital Map Media Development in Social Studies Learning Class for Elementary School. Some of things that I will discuss here are introduction, method, result and discussion, and the last is conclusion. But before that, I will present an abstract of this article. As for the abstract is, the development of digital map learning media in social studies learning in elementary school has several urgencies that need to be considered, especially in the context of development in information technology and modern educational needs. This research aims to analyze the needs for developing digital map learning media in elementary school social studies learning. This research used qualitative research design. Participants in this research were teachers and students at SDN Mangunan II, Udanawo District, Blitar Regency. The sample in this research was one teacher and 11 students at SDN Mangunan II. Data collection techniques include interview, questionnaires, and observation. Research findings from interview with teachers show that teachers know about digital map but only limited to Google Map and Google Earth. The teacher explained that digital maps are suitable to be developed to facilitate understanding of Hindu-Buddhist kingdom material by paying attention to an attractive appearance, short and clear content, and combining it with technology. Research findings from the result of student questionnaire show that 19% of students are interested in learning material about the Hindu-Buddhist kingdom using digital map. Thus, the result of the analysis of teacher and student needs show that digital map media is needed by students. This research can be developed to develop digital map media based on Hindu-Buddhist kingdom material as a social studies learning medium for fourth grade elementary school students. And the next, I will discuss about introduction. The implementation of education in Indonesia today is based on the implementation of the Merdeka curriculum, which refers to the principle of innovation in education which aim to develop students' learning potential and interest. In order to create a pleasant learning atmosphere, teachers can use learning media in the learning process. Technological development have produced various types of learning media, one of which is digital-based learning. Digital maps are an example of digital-based learning media that are expected to be used in the learning process of social science, especially in elementary schools. Based on the result of our observation and interviews with class 4 teachers, UPTSD Negeri Mangunan II, regarding the material of the Hindu-Buddhist kingdom, that the learning media used in the material of the Hindu-Buddhist kingdom is quite varied, but still requires learning media innovation that involves students directly, such as the use of alternative media so that students are more interested and enthusiastic during learning activities. Teachers usually explain the material using the lecture method, using pictures and learning media, books, LKS, whiteboard, and PowerPoint. The response given by students if the teacher uses learning media during learning activities is very positive. The next, previous research that has been done by developing digital maps and as learning media that are effective, efficient, and feasible to use on the material of Indonesian geographical characteristic. However, there is still no development of digital map for learning social studies material on Hindu-Buddhist kingdom. Therefore, it's necessary to analyze the needs of digital map in social studies learning in elementary schools, especially the material of the Hindu-Buddhist kingdom. So, this research is focused on the needs analysis of digital map media development with the aim of analyzing information in the field related to the needs of learning media to be developed, namely the development of digital map media on the material of the Hindu-Buddhist kingdom. The next is method. This research used a qualitative approach method to describe the problem and research focus. This research was conducted at SDN Mangunan II, Udanawo District, Blitar Regency, with grade 4 students totaling 11 children as data source. The data collection technique Use were observation, interviews, and questionnaires. The next is result. We can see the table. This is a question for teacher. There are 10 questions for teacher. Based on the result of the review of teacher need for digital map media on the material of the Hindu-Buddhist kingdom in table 1, question 1, 2, 3, and 4 discuss about the fourth grade teacher explained that when social studies lesson have used learning media. Learning media that are often used are pictures, LKS, whiteboard, books, and there are some that are based on digital technology, such as PowerPoint. In line with that, technology in learning should already be used in facilitating the learning process and creating interesting and fun learning, so that learning objective can be achieved. Thus, learning media with technology needs to be used during learning. In question number 5, 6, and 7, teachers explain related to the constraint felt when learning social studies material on the Hindu-Buddhist kingdom, including the limitation of the material studied and learning resources that support the depiction of Hindu-Buddhist kingdom material. Learning media that are often used to explain the material of the Hindu-Buddhist kingdom include pictures. In this case, students' knowledge is only about the picture without knowing the location of the release of the kingdom and how to get to that location. Therefore, the teacher explained that the material of the Hindu-Buddhist kingdom requires learning media that easy to use, support learning material, and attract students' interest in learning the material. In question number 8, 9, and 10, the teacher explained that the teacher knew about digital maps, but only to the extent such as Google Maps and Google Earth. Digital map can be suitable to be developed to facilitate understanding of the material of the Hindu-Buddhist kingdom by paying attention to an attractive appearance. The content of the material is brief and clear and integrated with technology. The table 3, we can see question for student. We can see the diagram. This is a presentation about question the student. The table 3 present the result of the student needs analysis questionnaire on the development of digital map on the material of the Hindu-Buddhist kingdom. The next is discussion. The use of digital map in learning also helps students to develop technological skills that are essential in the modern world. Primary school students learn to interact with information technology, search for information effectively, and use relevant software or application. With digital maps, students can access geographical and social information more easily. Students will find it easier to explore the map, find location, and get additional information quickly and easily via the internet. The use of digital map in learning enables active student engagement. Students can participate in activities such as location search, pattern identification, or even create their own maps, which enable a more meaningful learning experience for students. The last is conclusion. Digital map learning media can increase students' interest and motivation in learning. The use of interesting and interactive technology can make the learning process more fun and attract students' attention. Digital map can visualize information more clearly and dynamically than conventional maps. It can help students understand geographical and social concepts better through more tangible visual representation. In addition, digital maps allow students to connect with the real world and local context around their neighborhood. Students can learn about the place around them directly, understand the social and geographical conditions in their area, and relate learning to their daily experiences. Digital map learning media is relatively easy to update and adapt to the latest developments. This allows teachers to update the learning materials with the most up-to-date information or adapt the material to the needs of the class or individual students. That's the discussion about my article. I say thank you. If more or less, I apologize profusely. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.